I mixed cream in the mozzarella, secret of bakeries. In a container, I will start by adding 200 grams of grated mozzarella, 200 grams of heavy cream, and a teaspoon of salt, 300 grams of sweet powder, or if you prefer, can add it to feel to give the point. Now, let's mix very well. And when you have this difficult point of mix with the spatula, let's go now knead with your hands. Guys, this will be the sweet spot from our dough. We will take the small amount of this mess for us to start to model. Here, I did it the shape of balls. It's perfect, just repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Let's take it and put it all into a shape. Let's grease a mold with a little oil. Here I added size balls smilers. Let's bake the 200 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden and stiff. Looks just perfect. This cheese roll is wonderful. Do it at your house. I'm sure that everyone will love. A super bun, fast and easy, with goes few ingredients, and there's nothing better than a cheese bun for your coffee from morning. Guys, I hope you have liked this. Was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.